A computer mouse has and will always remain the strongest companion of a keyboard. Having said that, to keep the trend going, I welcome you guys to another amazing video from Unwrapped Impulse. Let's get started. This is the Logitech M235. The packaging looks very neat. Its MRP is around Rs 800, but you can easily purchase it online for as low as Rs 550. I have provided direct links in the description, so don't forget to check that out for the latest pricing. The box is completely sealed, and after you break it, will open up like a flap. Inside it are some documents. Surprisingly, the lower part of the box is completely empty. First word that comes to my mouth for this mouse is sweet, which indeed it is. The mouse is tiny and compact, hence making it very portable. You can even carry it around in your pockets. The switch is on for unknown reasons. In the hood lies a pencil battery and the most important accessory, that is the dongle. It is very tiny and has a place for itself in the mouse, hence making it very convenient to carry, but unfortunately increases the chances of getting it lost due to its small size. Now after turning the mouse on, we notice a small green LED which glows for about 5 odd seconds, showing the battery health. If it's slow, it will glow red. The mouse can also be operated from both hands. There is a small rubberized texture in the side, making it very easy to grip. The mouse was good to use and I could even play some games as well. Here is a sample from GTA 5. It worked very smoothly and it did not face any issues whatsoever. The small design needs time to get used to though. I've been using it almost daily from the past 4 months and it's working flawlessly. Its battery life is 12 months, which is again a very good point considering it's a wireless mouse. Overall, a very good compact wireless mouse from Logitech, and you'll like using it with your laptop. If I had to rate between 1 to 10, I'd give it a rating of 9 due to its aggressive pricing. Well, that was it for the video, friends. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, bye.
Didn't even get to bronze.